All right, buddy, here's some solids to try. Nope, I can't do this. More. Wow, you're such a good little eater, and you want more? Whew. More. All done. More. All done. Do you want more, or are you all done? I'm not really sure what you're trying to tell me. More berries? You ate all the strawberries, buddy. More blueberries? How about we eat something other than berries today? So you're just gonna have water for lunch? That's great. Noodles? Oh, you literally asked for that food. Why are we like this? No, this is not cut right. You said down the middle. Down the middle, sideways.